It's time to fall in love with your leftovers with my ultimate leftover sarnie. It's all the best bits of Christmas between 2 slices of stuffing sourdough bread. Come on, what more could you want? Start off by toasting this M&S collection Christmas sourdough that has cranberries and stuffing and nuts in it. I'm gonna soak one of these pieces in some gravy. My leftover turkey gravy would be perfect for this. Then add another splash of the gravy to the bowl. Grab yourself some mayonnaise and mix it together and make a delicious gravy mayo. And I'm gonna spread that onto the 2 pieces of remaining toasted bread. And then I'm gonna start layering up my sandwich. Turkey, pigs in blankets, some cranberry sauce, a little bit of cheese, some leftover sliced sprouts. I'm gonna put the gravy-soaked piece of bread in. Get myself a piece of tin foil onto a baking tray, and then repeat all over again. This time, though, I'm gonna use the festive chutney, a few more sprouts, some blue cheese. The lid will go on with the gravy mayo. We're gonna bake this in the preheated oven for around about 10 to 15 minutes. A couple of gherkins in the top. Look at that. That is the ultimate Christmas leftover sandwich. If you want more ideas like this, head to your local M&S to pick up my festive recipe booklet.